Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.Pro, and today I'll be showing you how to install Iris shaders in Minecraft. Iris shaders in Sodium is an alternative to Optifine, which can actually give you better performance than Optifine shaders themselves. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set that up, so firstly what you need to do is head to the first link in the description to download the Iris shader jar. When you're there, simply click on the blue Download Universal Jar button. That'll instantly download the jar file. When that's done, all you have to do is double click that file to open up the Iris installer window. At the top here, you just select the version you want to download Iris for. Then we recommend leaving the installation type as the one already set and the directory as the one that's already set. Then press install. In no time it'll say completed, and that's it, Iris is installed on your client. To make sure that the installation worked correctly, you can simply open up your Minecraft launcher. At the bottom left, you should see an installation named Iris in Sodium. If you don't see that there, you can also click on the Installations tab, press New Installation, and scroll down until you find the Iris loader. Then create a new installation to use it. However, if you have it selected on the bottom left, everything is working as intended. Now you just have to press play on your game. When your game is launched, press Options and Video Settings and you'll see the layout is different. That means Iris shaders are in effect. Now on the shaders option, if you want to upload shaders into your game with Iris, I'll be showing you how to do so. All you have to do before proceeding is press the Open Shader Pack folder button. This window should appear, but for now you just want to minimize it. To set up shaders with Iris, you firstly have to download a shader pack. I'll be downloading complementary shaders in this video, but this download process will work for any other shader pack. I'm going to head into Files, and then I'm going to press download on the most recent version. It'll take a couple seconds, but shortly the shader zip will download. Now that's downloaded, all you have to do is drag it to your desktop. Then open up the window you minimized earlier and drag the shader pack zip into it. And that's it, your shader pack is installed, so you'll now be able to use it. You can drag as many shader packs as you'd like in this window. However, there's another way of opening the shader pack window in case you don't want to open your game every time to press the shader button. All you have to do is press the Windows key and the R key at the same time, then when this window pops up, type in %appdata% and press enter. Scroll down until you find the .minecraft folder and then scroll until you find the shader packs folder, and boom, here it is. Now that you've downloaded shaders though, you can go back into your game to test them out. Press Options and then Video Settings and finally Shader Packs. There, all you have to do is press on the shaders you downloaded and click Done. Now when you head into your world or your server, your shaders will be enabled and your performance will be much better. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from my channel. Thank you for watching!